Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Amazon Prime Day is here, and we've scouted out some of the absolute best deals on budget-friendly drones that deliver serious performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner pilot looking to explore the skies or just want a fun drone with a camera for under $400, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down top-rated drones with Prime exclusive discounts, key features to look out for, and which ones are worth your money in 2025. All the drones featured in this video are linked down below in the description. Check them out for the latest prices and availability. So, let's dive in and find your perfect drone deal before the sale ends. 1. Hiturbo S20. Capture stunning aerial views with the Hiturbo drone, featuring a 1080p adjustable camera for versatile photo and video angles. Perfect for beginners, it offers easy controls, altitude hold, one-touch takeoff, and voice commands. 2 rechargeable batteries deliver up to 24 minutes of flight time. Use the remote or smartphone app for full control, including trajectory flight and 3D flips. Whether filming tricks or inspecting rooftops, this drone is your ideal starter for fun, learning, and creative exploration. 2. Loiley 2K HD FP. Capture breathtaking aerial views with the Loiley mini drone, featuring a 2K Ultra HD camera and 90-degree adjustable angle for stunning shots. Its smart flight controls, like altitude hold and optical flow positioning, ensure stable, intuitive flying. Ultra portable and FAA registration free, it folds to pocket size, perfect for travel. With 2 batteries for extended flight time, built-in safety features, and a full accessory kit, it's ideal for beginners and pros. Share moments instantly and enjoy 24/7 support, an excellent gift for any adventurer. 3. Xshop Gray Drone. This foldable drone features a 1080p HD camera with FPV transmission and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, perfect for capturing real-time footage. Beginner-friendly controls include one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and obstacle avoidance. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight with 2 batteries, 360-degree flips, gesture photo control, and VR mode. Lightweight and portable with no FAA registration needed, it makes a great gift for kids and adults. Plus, we offer 24-hour support and replacement parts for lasting fun. Velcase S101. Capture stunning aerial views with this foldable FPV drone featuring a 1080p HD adjustable camera and real-time video via the Velcase VGO app. Designed for kids and beginners, it offers one-key takeoff, altitude hold, 360-degree flips, voice control, and more. Optical flow positioning ensures smooth, stable flight. Enjoy up to 26 minutes of fun with 2 batteries and full accessories included. Gesture-controlled photos, safety features, and 24/7 support make it the perfect gift and flight companion. 5. Chewy F89. Experience next-level flight with this powerful drone featuring a 2,650-foot control range, over 10 times farther than standard models. Its alloy brushless motors deliver quiet, stable, and wind-resistant performance, while 3 upgraded batteries offer up to 60 minutes of flight. Capture stunning 4K HD wide-angle photos with dual switchable cameras. Packed with intelligent features like FPV, Follow Me, and Gesture Selfie, it's compact, foldable, and registration-free. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's the perfect gift for adventure seekers. 6. KURIUS K600 GPS. Experience professional flying with this GPS drone for adults, featuring a 4.5-inch HD LCD RC screen for phone-free, sunlight-readable live streaming. Capture stunning 4K-like videos with dual cameras and a stabilized wide-angle lens. Auto return ensures safe recovery when the signal is lost or battery is low. The Follow Me mode keeps you in frame from 350 meters. Includes a durable carrying case and 32 gig SD card support, ready to fly right out of the box. 7. DJI Neo. Weighing just 135 grams, the DJI Neo drone is lighter than most phones and requires no FAA registration. Launch it from your palm with a button, no controller needed. Neo's smart tracking, 4K stabilized video, and quick shots make capturing cinematic moments effortless. Fly with voice, app, or remote, and enjoy up to 54 minutes of fun with the 3-battery combo. Full propeller guards keep flights safe, whether you're vlogging, hiking, or just having fun with friends. State. Hover Air Combo Plus. Capture every adventure effortlessly with the Hover Air X1, a palm-sized, self-flying camera drone that tracks you at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. With intelligent flight paths, 2.7K HDR video, and real-time app control, it delivers cinematic content hands-free. Weighing just 125 grams and foldable for portability, it's perfect for sports, vlogging, and travel. Built-in 32GB storage, safety guards, and user-friendly operation make it ideal for creators of all levels, ready to fly anytime, anywhere, without FAA registration. 9. HoverAir ZZ-H1004, introducing the world's first 8K at 30 FPS flying action camera, the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. Capture epic footage in cinematic 8K or crisp 4K vertical, hands-free with voice commands. Its Smooth Capture 2.0 tech ensures ultra-steady shots, while Omni-Terrain lets you fly anywhere, snow, cliffs, or sea. Track fast action at 42 km/h to stay safe with rear collision detection, and carry it anywhere with its foldable, durable build. Built-in 64GB storage and app control make it the ultimate content creator's tool. 10. REDRI HK33. The HK33 drone offers high-resolution aerial photography with its 110-degree wide-angle adjustable anti-shake camera, delivering 4096 by 3072p images and 2048 by 1088p video. Enjoy smooth 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission up to 985 feet and extended flight time of 45 minutes with two 1900 mAh batteries. GPS features like auto return and follow ensure safe, intelligent flight, while brushless motors provide stable performance. Weighing under 250 grams, the foldable HK33 is portable and registration-free, ideal for capturing every adventure. Stu 11. Holystone HS360S. The Holystone HS360S drone, weighing under 250 grams, requires no FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for effortless flying in the US. Capture breathtaking 4K UHD visuals with its Galaxy Core sensor and 85 degrees wide-angle adjustable camera. Enjoy up to 10,000 feet transmission range and 20 minutes of flight. Advanced GPS ensures stable flight and safe return. With beginner-friendly features, creative flight modes, and real-time image streaming via a single cable, the HS360S offers a powerful, user-friendly aerial experience. 12. Buine F7 MiniSE SE. Weighing just 238 grams, the Buine F7 MiniSE SE GPS drone offers stunning 4K UHD visuals without FAA registration. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of flight with two batteries, 9,842 feet of range, and precise positioning tech for safe flying. With GPS return to home, follow me, gesture photo, and more creative features, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Compact yet powerful, this drone makes capturing breathtaking aerial shots easy wherever you go. 13. DJI Mini 4K. No registration is needed for the DJI Mini 4K drone, as it weighs under 249 dries, ideal for recreational use. Capture breathtaking 4K footage with its 3-axis gimbal, even in strong winds up to 38 km/h. Enjoy up to 10-kilometer HD video transmission and extended battery life options. Beginner-friendly features like GPS return to home and quick shots make flying easy. Download the DJI Fly app from DJI's official site for the best experience. Always check local drone regulations before flying. 14. Patensic ADOM SE. Weighing less than 249 grams, the ADOM SE drone is FAA and remote ID registration-free, making it ultra-portable and travel-ready. Its foldable design fits easily into your pocket, while the brushless motor ensures stable flight with level 5 wind resistance. Ideal for outdoor adventures, this lightweight yet powerful drone combines ease of use with strong performance, perfect for beginners and pros alike. 15. Ruko F11 Pro. Soar into summer memories with the F11 Pro 2 drone, your ultimate companion for capturing life's unforgettable moments. From backyard fun to scenic adventures, enjoy crisp 6K photos, smooth 4K video, and pro-level stability thanks to a 3-axis gimbal. With up to 70 minutes of flight time, advanced GPS modes, and night photography features, even beginners can film like pros. Whether it's your kid's first bike ride or a golden sunset, make every second cinematic with the F11 Pro 2. And that's a wrap on the best budget drone deals available right now on Amazon Prime. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a great drone without breaking the bank, these picks deliver serious value. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Make sure to check them out before the deals expire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech deals and reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!